This video will show you how to quantify GTP recruitment by activated GI protein by using HTRF technology. How does it work? First, the GTP GI binding assay uses a donor, which is a cryptate-labeled GTP analog, and an acceptor, a D2-labeled anti-GI antibody. The GTP analog specifically binds into the GTP binding pocket of active G proteins, while the D2-labeled antibody is specific to the G-alpha I subunit of G proteins. GPCR activation in presence of the two detection reagents brings the donor and acceptor into proximity, which triggers a FRET signal. This kit contains everything you need, such as reagents and buffer, to perform your assay. First, prepare your working solutions for the optimization assay as described in the package insert for GDP, magnesium chloride, GTP gamma S, GI protein, GTP europium cryptate reagent, and D2 antibody by diluting with stimulation buffer number 3. Optimization of the GTP binding assay in a membrane system is a key step, as both GPCR and G protein regulation are highly impacted by divalent cations and the presence of additives like GDP. Once optimal concentrations have been determined, you can add GDP and magnesium chloride stock solutions directly to the stimulation buffer to perform the GTP binding assay. Then, prepare the working solutions for GTP binding assay by diluting the GTP gamma S, GTP europium cryptate reagent, and D2 antibody with supplemented buffer stimulation number 3. Now we're ready to add our prepared solution to a microplate. Choosing the right plate is an important part of any assay. For this GTP assay, we recommend using either the Revvity 384-well proxy plate shallow well microplate or the HTRF 96-well low-volume microplates. They have been tested rigorously with this assay to provide optimal results. The plate you use should be white and be able to support the low working volumes of this assay. Let's start your assay. Here is an example for agonist study. Don't forget to add your assay positive and negative control as well as non-treated membrane control. First, dispense 5 microliters of supplemented stimulation buffer number 3, followed by 5 microliters of agonist. Then, add 5 microliters of detection reagents mix, and finally 5 microliters of membrane. Seal your plate and incubate overnight. To run this assay, we're using the Victor Nevo Multimode Microplate Reader. It is HTRF certified and perfect for everyday biochemical and cell-based assays. Plus, it offers all major detection technologies. With your prepared plate, insert it into the reader. From the control software, select the HTRF Europium Red preset protocol and click the Start button to begin. After the measurement, export your results. There are 2 measurement channels for each well, which need to be combined in a simple ratio. For data analysis, you can either apply these formulas in a spreadsheet for the calculation as shown here, or use MyAssays Desktop, which is our preferred data analysis tool for the Victor Nevo. With MyAssays, simply import the data, check your plate results, and select the same calculations as mentioned before. The calculation expression by matrix creates the ratio of the 2 measurement channels After that is done, you have your results data of all wells in your final report. For more detailed tutorials on MyAssays desktop, visit www.myassays.com. Congratulations! You have successfully implemented an HTRF GTP binding assay. If you need more information, please visit our website or contact your local representative.